Welcome today in front of me Realme C21Y, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and here just go to the display section. Now you'll see the wallpaper, go there, and here you can see that you can choose your new wallpaper from the live wallpaper selector, from the your photos on your device, and from the default wallpapers on your device. For example, I'll go in with the default one, and now you can select and see one from this wallpaper. And for example, I'll go in with this one. Just now tap to OK, and we want to change the lock screen, so choose the lock screen, and we got here the message that our wallpaper set successfully. And now we'll just check that, yeah, that's it, really. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.